outside, Azure Active Directory session lifetimes. The short version here is they're changing, wait a little bit longer. Okay, if you, and this is, I pulled a screenshot right out of Microsoft's documentation here. If you've ever wanted to tweak the session lifetimes for single sign-on or how long your session is good for a security standpoint, Microsoft has had this functionality for a couple years in preview. They've learned a ton. And long story short, it's all changing, and they will be rolling it all into conditional access policies. And so I just wanted to make sure everyone knew that this was a big roadmap that's changing. The intent that Microsoft has is that when you get prompted for multi-factor authentication, for example, that they don't prompt you to death, and they don't want users to make people get lots of MFA prompts. Their research has shown that's much more insecure than a single MFA prompt when it's appropriate and needed. And now that device is known as having passed MFA, and that all goes into session lifetimes. So that's a quick overview on session lifetimes. If you've got more questions about that or needed details, that's the top of the iceberg, not even the tip, right? And there's a lot